Need to fill out lots of similar documents? Save time turning your most used contracts, HR, and tax forms into templates. Let's say you need to fill out W-2 forms for all your employees. Company information will remain the same, but details will be specific for each employee. Just fill out your information once, and then turn your W-2 into a template. Create as many new copies from this template as you need. Each new form is pre-filled, and you can quickly customize it for any recipient. Now, just email, fax, notarize, submit to the IRS, or download your W-2s. Spend your time more productively with pdfFiller.